much. We're just expecting it for fun. And with your support, everything is possible. So I'm so happy, overwhelmed, and please enjoy the event and have fun with our new coffee machine, which is the MK-1 Pro. Thank you so much, guys.